Hey everyone, the Anbernic RG476H is shaping up to be the company's next big release in the retro handheld market, drawing attention from enthusiasts and content creators alike. While Anbernic has not yet made an official statement regarding its price or launch date, the growing number of leaks and previews suggest that the device is close to release. Retro Dodo revealed that the RG476H is expected to launch with an early bird price of $149 for the first 72 hours before moving to a standard retail price of $164, putting it in a mid-range bracket for retro handhelds. To add to the speculation, Anbernic has already posted an official unboxing video, something the company typically does just days before a device becomes available for purchase. This follows the same pattern seen with previous releases like the RG3-5XX Pro, which received a video reveal just 3 days prior to its official launch. Considering this track record, it seems likely that the RG476H will be available for pre-order within days. The first hands-on impressions, particularly from Russ of Retro Gamecore, have given fans a clearer picture of what to expect. One of the standout features of the RG476H is its display, which has been praised as high quality, vibrant, and well-suited for retro titles. The form factor has also been described as comfortable, with ergonomics that lend themselves to extended play sessions without strain. Anbernic has clearly put effort into refining the overall build quality, creating a device that feels premium while still being compact enough to carry around. The controls, for the most part, appear to be solid, with responsive buttons that retain the tactile feedback Anbernic fans have come to expect. However, the placement of the joysticks has raised concerns among early testers. While not unusable, their positioning is seen as awkward in certain gaming situations, potentially detracting from the otherwise well-rounded control scheme. Another design choice worth mentioning is the fully glass front, which gives the handheld a sleek and modern look, but also makes it highly prone to fingerprint smudges. For a device intended to be used in handheld mode for long sessions, this could become an annoyance over time, requiring frequent cleaning to maintain its appearance. Performance is where the RG476H shows both its strengths and limitations. For retro systems up to the Dreamcast, it appears to handle emulation smoothly, offering a dependable experience across most titles. The device struggles, however, when pushed into GameCube and PlayStation 2 territory. These systems have always been a litmus test for handheld emulators, and while the RG476H can run some games, its performance is reportedly no better than other handhelds already on the market. This means it may not satisfy those looking for flawless emulation of more demanding 3D consoles. Anbernic seems to be positioning the RG476H as a stylish and capable device that focuses more on display quality, ergonomics, and general usability than on breaking new ground in raw emulation power. With a likely release just around the corner and early impressions painting a picture of a device that excels in some areas while falling short in others, it will appeal strongly to retro enthusiasts who value presentation, build quality, and comfort in play. Those hoping for a handheld that dramatically advances performance in GameCube and PS2 emulation may need to look elsewhere. But for players rooted in classic gaming libraries, the RG476H looks like a compelling option that balances price, design, and features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.